Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time, which is at the top. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we cannot tap on. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those options, or actually 3 of them to be sure. And now we can freely tap on date, and just by swiping, choose the date you want to use. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and tap on OK. Now let's select the time zone. Tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So just find yours and tap on it. For example, this one. It will be of course immediately applied, and be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format option, and after tapping on it you can see that you can use automatic option, 24-hour clock format, or 12-hour format. It's up to you, just tap on the option you'd like to use. You can also use the dual clock. You can decide whether you want to use it or not, but just by using the switcher to turn it on or off. And here you can pick the second clock, so simply tap on this option and choose another region you'd like to set. For example, this one, and your device will show this clock on the home page. So basically this is the whole customization of the date and time, manual customization. If you want to get back to all previous settings, just tap on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.